A potential power struggle is brewing within Zimbabwe's ruling Zanu-PF party, with the speculation mounting that Vice President Chiwenga is preparing to challenge President Mnangagwa for leadership. Recent reports suggest growing discontent within the party ranks, fueled by concerns over the country's economic crisis and perceived lack of decisive action from the current administration. The coming weeks could prove pivotal in determining the future direction of Zimbabwe politics. Sarabida mashukobra nyugo pangwa inwe awani zimnews.live. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina pangwa ino mobra nyugo mchenzi. Zimbabwe's political landscape has been marked by periods of intense rivalry and transition of power. Most notably, the ousting of Robert Mugabe in 2017. Chiwenga, then commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, played a crucial role in this transition, positioning himself as a key player in the post-Mugabe era. Mnangagwa, Mugabe's long-time ally, subsequently assumed the presidency. However, the initial hopes for economic recovery and political reform have largely gone unfulfilled, leading to growing frustration among Zimbabweans and within Zanu-PF itself. The country continues to grapple with hyperinflation, unemployment, and a severe shortage of basic goods, creating a fertile ground for political instability. A challenge to Mnangagwa's leadership by Chiwenga would represent a significant turning point for Zimbabwe. It will signal a deep fracture within Zanu-PF and potentially trigger a period of intense political maneuvering. Chiwenga's military background and his influence within the security apparatus could give him a considerable advantage in any power struggle. However, Mnangagwa still commands significant support within the party and government, and a direct confrontation could lead to further instability and uncertainty. From an African perspective, such a transition could either reinforce or undermine democratic norms, depending on how the process unfolds. A violent or undemocratic transition would likely draw condemnation from regional and international bodies, and a leadership challenge will inevitably have a significant impact on Zimbabwe's already fragile economy and society. According to Dr. Thandos Vanda, a political analyst at University of Zimbabwe, political uncertainty will further deter foreign investment and exacerbate the country's economic woes. Several scenarios could unfold in the coming weeks and months. Mnangagwa could successfully weather the challenge and consolidate his position, potentially through a reshuffle of the cabinet and security apparatus. Alternatively, Chiwenga could gain enough support to force Mnangagwa to step down, either through a formal party process or through more informal means. A third possibility is a prolonged period of political infighting and stalemate, leading to further instability and economic decline. The outcome will depend on a complex interplay of factors, including the balance of power within Zanu-PF, the role of the security forces, and the level of popular discontent. The next few weeks will be crucial in shaping the future of Zimbabwe. Doma developments aripo pamusoro dynamics ari kuitika nemapower struggles muZanu-PF. Pana comment section medu dzofunguro enyi motodi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So unsubscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.